I was sleeping in bed and something hurt. It was my left testicle. My left testicle was hurting every time I would have a certain position when I was sleeping, and one of the most comfortable ones. I was so worried about it because I thought it was really bad. I thought I had something called a varicocele. And a varicocele is this large vein that you can kind of feel and it hurts, which can give you testicle cancer, and it's basically not good. After already being 10 p.m. and I wanted to go to sleep 2 hours ago, I finally get up out of bed. My eyes are a little red, I feel nervous, I go to the bathroom to feel my ball. I feel my ball and I think there's a little bump there. I feel like there's a little bump the way that varicoceles are described. And this kills me. I go out my room at 11 p.m. My parents are still talking there. They're probably surprised that I'm up this late and I'm going to my computer searching up about varicoceles. After feeling my balls for the 11th time, which was probably the most amount of times I touched myself without actually relapsing, without doing anything about it, I realized, yeah, there might be a little bump there. And then I lay back down and I'm literally crying. I'm crying because this is how my life became. I have some pain in my ball that I literally can't change, and then I have to tell my parents about it. Then I have to go to some hospital, get some surgery, and this is my life. It's because of all this modern day worlds that are making our hormones messed up. I have to go to some doctor to get this surgery for my balls, which I didn't even want. A day later though, I wake up, I feel terrible. I don't feel as happy as I used to be, and my parents can tell that. They start questioning me, they start asking me a bunch of questions about what happened. What happened? Did someone say something mean on the internet? Did someone do this and do that? I shake my head, and then as soon as my mom's about to leave from work, I write down how I was feeling, and I could see the teardrops going on the paper. She says it's fine, it's okay, we can check it. But then after that, I started to realize that my balls don't actually hurt. That bump that I felt wasn't really a bump. And the same thing happened with me literally today and yesterday and the day before. My chest feels sore from working out, and I literally think I have gyno. I'm out here touching my nipples, squeezing them. I'm doing a bunch of things because I think I have gyno. I'm worried about it. I feel like anything that touches my chest, it hurts and it feels terrible. But when it's literally not the case, when I don't think about it, it goes away. When I solve the problem that I thought I had gyno, it goes away. When I worry about some outcome, when I worry about whatever's happening in my life, it kind of multiplies the effect by 10 times. I worry about all these things, but as soon as I let go from those thoughts and don't worry about it, it finally goes away. The problem goes away. I stopped investing all my thoughts and energy into it, and I feel so much more free with my life. I'm not worrying about the small things that aren't even true. I'm over-exaggerating. I'm overthinking. I could feel all the pressure evaporate from me because I'm not worried about it. I'm not constantly thinking about it. And when I constantly don't think about it, I finally enjoy living again. I finally enjoy making YouTube videos, talking to you. I finally enjoy being outside. I finally enjoy my body, my muscles. And I don't care, like I don't have gyno. Why am I worrying about it? Why am I worrying about that I have gyno? Why am I worrying that I have some varicocele? That I'm sick, that I'm injured, that I can't do this? Why am I worrying about that stuff? When I'm a completely, fully functioning male who has so much potential, why am I worrying about those things that are limiting me? And when you stop caring so much about the things that happen, you're actually able to see a lot more progress with what you do. Because you don't think negatively about it, you think positively, and when you think positively, you feel better, you feel more happier, and I'm able to use that energy to making good videos. When I was constantly stressed about having some good video that gets 1 million views, I overthink about what I want to talk about, what I want to make a video about, so I think of some random thing that I don't even like making. I stopped caring about the results that were quite unrealistic, and I'm able to enjoy making videos and as a result give you more value and help you more. I genuinely feel amazing talking to you right now. But a day ago, 2 days ago, I would have hated it. When you stop caring and obsessing about so many things, your life becomes 100 times more enjoyable. When you stop caring about the perfect morning routine, the perfect life, the perfect day in a life, when you stop caring about those things, you're able to actually do more things than if you would have had the perfect morning routine. Now, I'm not saying to let loose and yeah, just have a break day, relax, enjoy eating some junk food and enjoy this and this. But when you stop obsessing about it, trying to be a perfectionist, it's easier to actually become a perfectionist. Be perfect in the things you do. Because you genuinely enjoy doing it. And when you try to be a perfectionist, every single small mistake, like I stutter, like, oh, this isn't the perfect lighting for me, whatever thing it is, I don't care about it as much. And as a result, I'm not worrying about the small things that can make this video 1% bad. So I'm actually able to focus more on the 99% of things that will make this video good, to put it out to you and give you more value. And as a result, it would probably get more views. It would probably get better numbers and statistics. So when you actually don't care about the results, you get more results because you're being yourself, you're being authentic, and you're not having pressure to do things. You're able to move freely and do the things you want to do. I'm actually so happy that I discovered this. I'm able to do so much more in my life, and I don't care about some little views that don't mean anything. I'm able to care about you and help you, which is why I made this channel, which is why I want to make videos for you every single day to help you improve your life, because my younger self needed a channel like this. Just some 15-year-old, almost 16, I'm probably 16 when you're watching this video. Happy birthday to me. I'm able to do those things as I'm 16 years old and help the younger self that I needed when I was 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Stop obsessing and overthinking about things that genuinely evaporate, take away all your brain power into these things, and you can't do the other things you want to do in your life. You can't work out as much. You can't work as much as you want to do. You can't focus on your schoolwork because you're so invested in being a perfectionist in something that any mistake kills you, destroys your self-image about yourself. But when you stop caring as much, you realize you're able to do more things because you genuinely are doing it based on how you feel and how you enjoy doing it. So when you do it, it actually is better than if you were being a perfectionist about it. I hope that makes sense. It's like cooking with love, with care, with passion. You can make that thing taste a lot better and make your life be sweet and spicy and sour, whatever tastes you like. Your life will be more enjoyable and more flavorful, and you can bite all the fruits of your labor. So if you found this video at least somewhat helpful or interesting, you found the right channel for you. Click and watch this video right here to stop overthinking more often. Subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting more beneficial videos to try to help you improve your life every single day. Like this video if you liked it. I'll see you later. Stop overthinking. Stop caring about so many things. You'll do a lot more in your life when you do. Stop caring about things. Peace.